So today's project will be repairing this roof. It's I've left it a bit long really. It's definitely seen better days. As you can see, the water has started to get in. The main foundation of the shed is all pretty good, but it's just the felt's come off and the chipboard is now starting to bow. It's not looking too healthy really. The inside, you can see water has got in there. So we'll have a go today and see what we can do. Okay, as you can see, I've got the actual roof off the shed now. There's only literally 4 screws holding the thing on. I'm surprised it didn't blow off in the wind. But you can see what I've taken off. Not straight at all. What I'll have to do, I think, is get these off and put them on the new bits of wood I've got. So these are actually quite straight, although a little damp, they'll be fine. Now this section here, this long piece of wood, this goes in the middle. And as you can see, it's not straight at all. So that goes up the top. See if we can show that in place. It's supposed to go in now, but with it being so bent, I don't think it's going to work. So I'm going to try this piece, which is slightly smaller, but is perfectly straight. So I'll put that in and update you in a bit. I've got the new bits of wood, which B&Q cut. Didn't charge for the extra cutting, but boards was quite expensive. I had to use 2, I think they were 4x6, because I couldn't get these sizes out of one. But anyway, it's all done. And what I've done is I've taken the edging off the old roof, the beam there, just giving it a coat of wood preserver. And I'll go about now trying to get them on the roof. So we'll see how that goes. We've got the roof on. I put a lot more screws in this time, so instead of having 4 on the whole roof, it's now got about 20. So it looks a lot better. Hopefully we'll be able to get the felt on before it starts raining. It's a bit overcast today. You see the clouds. It's trying to rain already, isn't it? It's a little bit of a it's a bit of a mess at the moment. But that looks a lot better. Well, when we put the felt on, that will cover that up, so it'll be fine. It'll still let the spiders in, but never mind. Felt is now on. So I'm just tidying up the edges still. But a top tip I'll give you. Often people, when they put the edges on, they just leave it flat like that. But what I tend to do is I fold it all the way around and then nail it from underneath. Saves them now being here, which then can let water into the wood. Being underneath is very unlikely that the water will go back on itself and go uphill. So it tends to drip here rather than going past the hole that you've made. And this is the finished shed. Just tested the water, the gutter, and it all works fine. Looks much better.